What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are all doing well this morning. It's been a bit. I'm going to work right now, but you know I had to hit up the Aqueduct a little bit. I've been a little burnt out right now. You know, I don't know if it's work or the heat. I definitely don't feel like it's fishing. You know, I just came back from vacation, went to Ixtapas, and let me tell you guys, it was beautiful out there, man. Didn't have a chance to fish marlin, but I will have a chance soon. But for now, let's focus on here, guys. We're at the California Aqueduct. Hopefully it's a good morning if you guys are watching this, because I caught something, so let's get it. The flow looks mighty beautiful. Ooh, I seen that, guys. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was interesting. And what I have on now is got the good old chatterbait, and I got a fluke from Scott's Get Bent Baits. I think he originally said that fluke was for saltwater. It's like a greenish orange one. This is what I'm throwing, guys. Try out this jerk bait, guys. Hooks are not that big, but we'll make it work. Damn. Got him. What is this? Bass? Holy. Man, I was nested too, guys. This doesn't feel that. Oh, this is a striper. I was nested, man. Whew, what is this? striper, guys. Thank God. I need to find a way to get down there without falling. Holy mother of God. Yeah, he's fighting good. He's hooked good too, guys. Come on, come on. Yeah, this one's fighting good. Tired, guys. He's getting tired. Or not. Or not. Come on, buddy. I don't want to fall right here, guys. Man, why is this guy putting up so much fight? Usually I just bring them up quick. Come on, let's go this way. Oh, it was a good one. That's why he's fighting good. See how good. More than my PB. He's getting tired, guys. He's getting tired. He's getting tired. Oh, come on. You want to keep walking? We'll keep walking, buddy. More to the edge. Come on. I'm afraid, guys. I don't want to lose him. I haven't caught a striper. He's hooked. What a monster. What a monster, guys. I'm gonna drag him up. Oh yeah, that's a monster. Whoo! That's a monster, guys. Yeah, no wonder he was fighting good. Bite me, son. Look at that, guys. Whoo! What a monster. This is what we're working with right now. Sheesh. Monster. I want to dedicate this catch to these kids who watched me out in the 559 area. Kaylee and her brother Alan. I dedicate this catch to you guys. Keep fishing. Hopefully we get together soon. Catch some stripers. Check it out, guys. This is where I'm bringing the striper. To my buddy, Unza Loncheria, Mariscos Acapulco. Hit him up.
Aquí se dan los pinches pescados, aquí hay. Así no los sacamos de allá de adentro.
Eee.